I will make them dance on my tunes. If there is a conversation or a point of something where I need to take a stand, I will definitely take a stand. I'll make sure that my voice is heard. If not, then I'll be like, okay, karte raho. Then I'll just try and make the fight more interesting sitting at the back end. So first of all, I'm
Okay.
very scared of Salman Khan. I'm very scared of Salman sir.
Koimoi.com.
Hi, Nishan.
Hi, hi,
Welcome to Koimoi.
hi, hi.
How excited are you? I mean, just like 2 days away, and you are in the Big Boss OTT house. How excited are you to step into
I'm
the
very
Karan Johar
excited.
world?
It's a lifetime experience I'm going to get. It's in my career, I'm a choreographer. So for the first time, I'm doing something which is very different. So I think I'm pretty excited to be part of this show because it's a show which I always dreamt to be a part of.
What was your first reaction when they told you कि you're on board? माँ बाप, I mean, family को बोलो कि जाना है upgrade कुछ दिनों के लिए. What was it like?
So when I first got the call for this show, I was on cloud nine. First of all, I was like, "What
Okay.
is this happening with me? Huh? Matlab, this is something I always dreamt of, and this is really happening." So I was like, कि चलो अच्छा है. And then when I told my parents are very chiller. So they said, "जा जा बिंदास जा, सबकी बैंड बजा दे जाके."
So will you be bajaying everybody's band while you dance to the tunes, or will you make them dance to your tunes?
I will make them dance on my tunes.
Wow. So, but on a gentle note, even, will you be teaching some of your contestants some cool moves and show us the audience even some cool moves and how to do that?
See, I'll tell you one thing. I'm a choreographer, which I just told you. Whenever I
Yeah.
dance, I will be a center of attraction whenever I dance. So now, if anybody who's not getting footage in the house, if they're not doing something in the house, they have to follow me, to be in the limelight. So yeah, they will follow. If they want to be seen, they have to follow my moves. So they will eventually.
Wow. I love that attitude. What's your game plan to win the show?
Honestly, I've not thought of anything because I think
Okay.
Big Boss is a show जहाँ पे you can't plan and go. Because
Hmm.
I have been fan of Big Boss since the time the show started. I've seen every season of it. I've also been part where the choreography aspect was there, be it your finale or be it your grand premieres or whatever of the show. So I've been part
Wow.
of the show. So I've seen this show and I've seen contestants. So I think you can't plan this show. As in, you just have to go and be there, live the moment, live at the moment. You have to just be there first to understand what the show is about. And I think I'm also doing the same. I have definitely not planned anything. The first day I'll go, I will figure out what I'm supposed to do, and then I'll react accordingly.
When you talk about what you have to do, what all do you know? Do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook. I know how to clean. I know everything which I learned in last lockdown. But again, it depends if I want to do it or not.
Okay. I That attitude can get you a lot of trouble with your housemates. In
But it's
case you get into
also
any verbal,
but the show is also about taking a stand or doing whatever you want to, like, right?
yes,
So if
that's
I
there.
want to go there and clean and cut and cook only, that I can do it in my house also, no?
Point.
I will definitely do it. I'm not saying I won't do it, but depends how my mood is going to be.
It's on
So I
your
will
terms.
decide.
It's on
Huh?
your terms.
Yeah.
It's
So
on your
everything is
terms.
going to be on my terms only, no?
Okay. No, but in case there's any verbal interaction, I mean, not interactions, but if there's a fight, an argument, or people tend to get physical, what would your take be then? Will you go on sidelines or will you take an active step in stopping whatever's going on?
See, it depends on what the conversation is going to be. If it is just see, a
Okay.
lot of people sometimes I've seen on the show, like for rubbish, stupid reasons, they start fighting, thinking they'll be seen on the show. But the show is actually not about keep fighting. Jitna
Hmm.
I have seen the show. It's about showing your stand, taking a stand, showing what is right and wrong, and what is personally you would do on the show, and how your personality is on the show. The show is about that. The show is about not fighting. See, if there is a conversation or a point or something where I need to take a stand, I will definitely take a stand. I'll make sure that my voice is heard. If not, then I'll be like, okay, karte raho. Then I'll just try and make the fight more interesting sitting at the back end.
Talking about the show's host, we have Karan Johar hosting the OTT
Yeah,
version for the first 6 weeks,
yeah,
followed by Salman Khan later.
yeah.
How excited are you to have these two? Bollywood top personalities being your guiding force on the show?
Okay, so I'll want to tell you one thing. So first of all, I'm
Okay.
very scared of Salman Khan. I'm very scared of Salman sir. It's been 15 years as a choreographer. I've been working mostly reality shows. Salman sir has seen me dancing. Salman sir on other reality shows have come as guests. He has seen me dancing. He has praised me. He has done all those things. But this show is very different. Here he's going to shout at me, so I'm pretty scared for that. Second thing, Karan sir, and so I've been part of Jhalak Dikla Ja also. It was a dancing reality show. Done like 5
Yeah.
seasons on that show. So Karan sir has seen me dancing. Plus, I have worked on his movie Ye Dil Hai Mushkil as an assistant choreographer with the song Channa Mereya and Cutie Pie. So I've seen Karan sir, so he knows me. So I think I'm pretty cool that he's going to be part of OTT platform like Bigg Boss OTT because thoda sa na confidence upar aayega because Karan sir is there. It's not suddenly Salman sir. And if I somehow survive those 6 weeks and Salman sir will enter, that time I'll have that little bit of confidence to face him. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for that too.
Are you excited to find love in the house? I mean, we
That
see
is
a lot.
something. See, that is something. I've kept the option open. I don't have. I've not kept it in my head that I have to go there and date someone to reach the show till particular. I'm not going to do that because if it happens naturally, it will happen naturally. If it doesn't happen naturally, then there are many other. There are many other relationships also. No? There is friendship. There is. I can be enemies with whoever. There's brotherhood is there. There is sisterhood is there. There's so many relationships I can build. So love is not only an aspect that I'm thinking in my head कि प्यार करो तो शो के end तक जाओ. अगर वो होगा तो होगा. But I would also want to mention if such thing happens. But few things which I will take like decisions I will take will be after the show, not on this show because on this show it will be I'll date that particular person. I will try to understand her. I will try to see how whatever. But whatever decision and whatever final conclusion of that relationship is going to be will happen after the show. So yeah, the option is open. Let's see.
That's a good take on how to not to jump into the relationship and give it a name right away, but to understand it and then move forward.
Yeah.
Once you move into the house, who's the person you're going to miss the most from the outside world?
I think everyone outside is going to miss me rather than me missing someone because in outside world, I think I am part in everyone's life. I'm this one fun, mad, psycho person who is like in every party. The party is not complete without of me. If there are any fights, any issues, I have to be there. My parents are very chilled out. They are so very happy. There's like good for how many like months I'm going to go inside. It's happy. They're very happy. So definitely, I'm not going to miss, but definitely my parents and my other friends, they are definitely going to miss me. And they all will be on fire when they'll go download Woot. They'll watch Bigg Boss, and if something is happening to, they'll be like, "Hey, what is Dishan doing? Hey, what is Dishan doing?"
I'm really waiting to see this fiery, fun, and witty personality on Woot from Sunday. I'm really excited.
Yeah, you should tell your friends and family also to watch this because it's going to be damn interesting.
I'm also waiting to see some of your Masaledar dance performances over there. I hope at the grand premiere you do something nice for us.
So see, this is I would want to tell you like this is the first time in this is season 15, I guess. Yeah, 15. So in 15 seasons, I think this is the first time Bigg Boss is taking a choreographer on a show. Like so, I'm the first choreographer who is entering Bigg Boss house. So of course, सुबह उठ के भी जो 8 बजे का गाना बजेगा, उसके बाद एक कुछ तो मैं करूँगा.
सबसे आगे आप ही रहने वाले हो.
Or you never know, I might just not dance. I'll be like, चलो सिखाया अभी नाचो तुम सब लोग, मैं बाद में आऊँगा.
मैं choreographer हूँ. I like the attitude, sir. Anyway, beautiful talking to you.
Same here.
And I wish you all the luck for your stay in the Bigg Boss house.
Thank you.
And hope you enjoy yourself as much as we are going to enjoy ourselves watching you.
Definitely.
All the best, Nishan.
koimoi.com